Okay, so I'm playing Risk of Rain 2. It is a good game, and it's much harder to break than Risk of Rain 1. But, okay. Up, up, up. And I'm back through the ground. There are apparently ways to break this game. I'm gonna do my judicious cleaning up of all of the items real quick, except for, shit that I consider worthless. Which is most of it, honestly. Let's see. But I have been playing this for way too long, as you can see, and on baby mode, because baby mode is fun. I don't see shit. I'm moving way too fast, but I don't see shit. So we're moving on to the next level. I'm going to show what I think is broken, because I thought the Huntress was crap, but apparently the Huntress is not crap. Looking for the shit. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? I don't see the shit anywhere. Alright. Up, up, and away! Okay. Where is this fucking bullshit? I'm holding down arrow button, because that is important on Huntress. I've got so many upgrades at this point that I'm not really certain what's happening at any given point. Things just sort of die around me. Which is exactly what I want. Let's see. Sit back here. Nope. Gee, where's this thing gotten to? I've got a lot of money, it looks like. Maybe I should buy shit. That's always at the end of the level at this point. This is all about finding the stupid shiny thing. Gotta find that teleporter. It is. There it is. Okay. My teleport sent me a little bit too far. Alright, going up in the air. Alright, I see it. And killing the bosses. This is why the Huntress seems a bit OP to me. She has this glaive of doom bullshit. As you can see, those things were quite strong, and they're all on my team now. Oh god, what is this? Okay. Dealing with it. Yeah, the spec that I have tried to go is, I'm sure as everybody who's played this a little bit knows, the most important thing is soldier syringes, but the thing I consider second most important is the Tough Times teddy bear. Oh god. Oh god. Go. Okay. I need some perspective of what's happening. I fucking hate having all of these little blobby blobs on my team, the giant wisps or whatever. They just create those energy boom things. I hate the mask. The ghost mask is the worst. It makes it impossible to tell what's going on after a certain point. As far as movement tactics go, since I can't tell what's going on, usually jumping and strafing is the best solution at all times. Ooh, okay. Did we win? We won. Everything's dead. Alright, time to pick up treasure chests. Treasure chests. Okay. So yeah, Soldier's Syringe, Tough Times. I came across one of the 3D printers that 3D prints you something in replacing something else. Got a bunch of Tough Times that way. I think I have like 15 or more. Not really certain. Can never actually look at stuff. You don't have time to look at stuff in this game. If you're looking at your items, you're playing it wrong. I'll kill that. Alright. You things are dead. Alright, so back over to here. This is the only time you should be looking at shit. You need more damage at all times. This is kind of more damage than the fire, because the damage happens while the shit is still alive. I'd rather go for the question mark here, because there's a chance that it's more damage. Got monster. Oh, tough times. Good stuff. More rockety rockets. What is this guy? Decisions. It's the tough times. That is the one that prevents you from dying the most. I don't know what this is, but I'm not going to get it. Just going to open all the boxes because it's important. More rockets. That's even better. Rockets are early game stuff. I am in the super mega late game at this point, and I'm just hoping to see how far I get. Has everything gotten? Everything's gotten enough. Next stage. But yeah, I like baby mode. It is the one that's the most fun to play. But typically, getting this late into baby mode makes it a bit harder too. Things to kill. You guys are my basic money. Finding the thing. Oh, this jump that is going way too high for me. If you run into a ledge, you end up... Well, that's a bad example. But if you run into a ledge while doing the jumps, there is a tendency to just go way too fucking high. I have defeated the boss. The boss is defeated. It's very important to stay in the air at all times. Bad things happen on the ground. Just gotta get items, kill things. Okay. Have a moment of peace because the bosses stopped spawning. I hate the ghost bosses. I feel like these guys shoot lasers at me occasionally. I feel like the Dune bosses. Okay. Throw the glaives. Everybody dies. Oh no, don't know what's happening. I took some shield damage. Okay, I got froze. Okay, escape time. If you see your shields go all the way down, it is a smart thing to leave and come back. Dying is bad. Don't do it. I'm not sure who's pointing at me, if it's my ghost buddies, or if it's other things that are about to be ghost buddies. They need to chill out, though. Just money everywhere. I don't know how many Hopu feathers I have, but it's a lot. Ah, jeez. Okay, so that guy's definitely real. Shields are taking damage. Gotta get back in the bubble. Oh my gosh, a thing. Okay, getting off the ground. There's things and they're alive. That's bad for me. Look at all those green numbers that are like, you got health back. Okay, is everybody dead? Everybody's dead? Cool. I see this. More shields. I see this. Oh, it's a Dio's Besto Friendo. I have not gotten one of those yet this run. Okay, so that gives me some peace of mind. I can act stupid. I have actually lost a game here by just straight up going off this particular map. And that was the worst death possible, because apparently really late in the game, outside of the map just does 1 billion damage to you, and then you immediately die. I would not recommend it. Let's see. Let's see if I can... Okay. Die. Die, die. Oh, man. There's all sorts of big old boss things hanging out here. The next most important thing is probably the ability to do boss damage. Oh god. Okay. That's fine. have nightmares like that where I end up jumping way too high. And then you land after jumping way too high. This game is very courteous. It allows you to just land. Yeah, this is the area. If you go outside that red line, you end up just straight up dying. It's not okay. Alright, guy's dead. And I'm going to call it good on this stage. Found some boxes. Oh. Well, something's dead. Poor thing. Alright, let's find it. Is it over here? There it is. Got it. Oh. The mega worms. They are the worst. Don't know where... Oh, okay. Well, accidentally killed a bunch of guys. That's okay. There we go. But yeah, the Huntress is glaive throwing. I prioritized getting the little extra clip item, or whatever that gives you bonus mouse button 2 bullshit things. That seems to be where it's at for this character. I'd of course say go soldier syringe, followed by tough times if at all possible. If those 3D printers come up, you get those things because they will cause you to win. These guys specifically is why I don't think the mercenary is the best. They are just complete garbage to fight, because if you're the mercenary, you end up being right in their face, and then you just die because of reasons. Oh no. The overloading things. These guys cause mysterious death to happen. They also make the screen go black. How many Hopu feathers do I have? Oh no. Never get trapped. Getting trapped in anything is like immediate death at some point. Oh, the blue shop. I hope that's the blue shop. Alright. Everybody's dead. Let's see what they left me. Any tasty treats? I don't know. Probably. Oh, is that the green thing? Oh, this area. Is this off limits this round or not? Can't really tell. Can go all sorts of weird places. I've actually gotten really late in the game at various points in time, and I've wanted to know what's over on this island. And if you go far enough out here, it spawns you back at the start. Doesn't let you go there. It's really unfair. Also, none of those crates have anything in them. You just fall in the water. Soldier's syringe is the best. This is the thing that gives you bonus glaives. I'm going to pick up another one of these, because you can never have too many of the alt fire. I believe every time it bounces, you get life steal. I believe. I mean, I don't really know what's happening when I'm killing stuff. Just being successful. At a certain point in time, run speed is the most annoying garbage. Because you end up having this nonsense where you're like, I jumped! And you just fly out the map. Ooh, buddy. That's more damage over time. Yeah, that's not the blue portal. No one cares about the green portal. More attack speed on crits. More sprint speed. Slows. Getting the things. Extra clip. Good items. Let's see. Nothing over here. I got very lucky with getting whatever my item is. My alt fire item is very strong. It is the bonus shields, as well as it puts little sticky bombs or whatever on things. Those little blues. Okay, I think I got everything here. Moving on. But yeah, I have no idea how much harder the game scales to, but I think I'm ahead of the curve. by a very wide margin. Let's see, where is the thing that I'm looking for? Okay. Oh, nice. Bonus items. I'm assuming that is not a terrible idea. Oh, is this the gold thing? I've never gotten the gold portal yet. Oh no. Gotta get off the ground. Die, mega worms. Die, mega worms. They are not okay. They are bad news. Shouldn't let those things live. They should always be the focus. Okay. A gold orb appears. Got it. Alright. Now I just gotta beat the level. I don't know what the gold orb does. It's very expensive, I'm assuming. Okay, gotta hit a ramp. Okay. So up here now. It's apparently something where if you just learn how to manipulate that and then teleport down, it's very helpful. Is that it? Is this it? Did I see it? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Throw all the glaives. Throw the glaives. I don't have any glaives anymore. This is bad news bears. And they're all dead. Nice. Oh, extra attack speed. Okay, okay, I respect the fact that you're all here and in the air again. Please stop existing. It's just a nightmare when the screen's black like this. I'm occasionally looking over at my teleporter percent to make sure it's still going up, because you can definitely jump out at the top of it. And this is just not a good spot for the teleporter to spawn. Okay. Try not to get ground punched. Ground punch is the cause of many mercenary deaths. And I do very much prefer the Commando, or whatever his name is, to the Huntress, but like I said, the Huntress glaives they get the job done. It is really uncanny how well they get the job done. Good here? Good here? Golden? Where's this gold portal? There it is. I've never seen this before. Alright, let's see. What does that does? Where am I going? Got the gold portal. Excited to see where this goes. Oh no. The Gilded Coast? Okay. Everyone, it's your turn to die. What? Rebuild the Halcyon beacons? Oh no. Okay. I'm always nervous in new stages if that's going to end up just causing me to die mysteriously. Okay, the Halcyon beacons. That must be these. One. Another. Okay. Gotta make a lot of money, it looks like. Okay. Not sure how to make money here. I think I have wrecked myself by being too late in the game and not being able to make the appropriate amount of money here. Let's see what happens when you go, oh. Okay, that is true. Oh no, okay. That got things to respawn. Okay. I am getting like no frames per second, but everybody's dead. Good. Okay, who's that? My ghosts are now fighting all of the stone titans. Okay, I'm out of here. I know what nonsense is happening. I do not appreciate this all of a sudden. This feels more like a find the objectives while lagging type of quest. Alright. Where is this one of them? Got it. Nice. Okay. 2 more. 1 more. Please find it. Stealth powers activate. Oh, that'll help. Okay. Like I said, let the shields recharge. Those things are important news. Alright. Outside combat. Good things happening. Where is the last one? This is becoming very bad news. Oh, good. Littler enemies spawned. That means I can accidentally get ammo crates. Ammo crates make the world go round. Where is this thing? I am so afraid of the ice things. The ice things are definitely death waiting to happen. Oh, looking for a little slender black stick. Is that it? Found it. Got it. Defeat the boss. Okay. Is it this guy? Is he's gold. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, man. Get the ice away from me. Ice, no. Okay. Let shields recharge. Back in the fight. I think I'm hitting the right guy. Definitely don't know. Shields recharging. Never want to actually take real damage. That would be the worst. Is this the guy? I don't know if this is the guy. I want to be the guy too. And I'm deed. Oh, nice. Got more glaives. Getting those shields recharged. So glad I got that Dio's best friend. Come on, shields. Why is he immune to all? Can he just die? Watching the shields, strafing, lots of strafing. Titanic Gold Eater. It's gotta be this guy. How do I kill? How do I kill? Do I have to, like, relight the beacons? Oh, okay. I do. I'm too busy not paying attention. Okay. Going through the sky, going through the sky. Accidentally running on hills. Oh no. What is happening? I am dead. Nice, finally. Alright, I need to go figure out what happens with this. I got paused during this one also, so I'm excited to play that dude. Whoa, I need to just figure out how to do that a little faster next time, I guess. Alright, checking out, bye.